It's exciting today to be here, not just to be chancellor, but to be part of the community here. The board's ultimate goal was to make this a productive, if you will, village, an urban setting in a rural community. And this is the first building to do that with. It's all about what I think the vision of Kearney is. It's a heads-up community and one that looks to the future. And that's what this is all a part of, is looking to that future.
We as students are so lucky to have the great facilities we have for a campus our size. I am really excited for the great opportunities that come with having this facility so close to campus, with the possibilities of students having the ability to walk across the street to classes, and someday to restaurants, shopping, internship, recreation areas, and many other amenities the village has to offer. Currently, we only have village flats at University Village, but the possibility of other businesses and UNK buildings are endless.
University Village is probably 107 acres of potential. It's going to be the home, I think, of many opportunities. And so there are lots of other things to come in University Village. And I would encourage you now to begin to think about that as a community. What else could go out here? We think the opportunities are endless. We really do. And we invite people to come work with us now. What other things can happen out here?